The best way to make $100 a day online. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. Now, at this point, what will normally happen is somebody's going to brag about their income. They're going to talk about how much money they make and how cool they are. Personally, I think this is cheesy. And what I can tell you is I make a lot more than $100 a day online, but I don't want to share with you how much I make every single day. And the reason for this is it doesn't help you one bit. It doesn't help you at all because how much money I make doesn't influence your life. Maybe it's great motivation. Maybe it gets you excited, but it doesn't do anything for you. So what I want to do to prove to you what I'm teaching you in this video actually works is show you not how much money I'm making, but show you the results from one of my students that I actually posted in my group recently. He actually made more than $100 a day following the same techniques I'm going to teach you in this video. He ended up making right around $4,000, slightly more, and he's from India, so that's pretty damn good money. Now, before we go any further, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Zach Crawford, and I want to give you a chance to win one of my $1,000 courses completely for free. All you need to do to qualify is go below, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and finally comment on any of my videos on the channel daily for a new chance to win. The method I use to create passive income, or in other words, I do the work once and keep getting paid, is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually what my student used to create that $100 a day income, and what I can tell you is you can make a lot more. All right, so the simple definition of affiliate marketing is just referral marketing. These are things that you probably are already out there doing yourself, you're just not getting paid for. You're probably out there right now recommending products to your friends and things that you already like and you're passionate about, but you're not getting paid. Compared to with affiliate marketing, you can go out there and find products that you believe in just about any niche imaginable. You sign up to their affiliate program and you recommend those products, and once somebody makes a purchase, you get a commission. Affiliate marketing is not a new business model. In fact, it's probably one of the dinosaurs to actually making money online. It's been around for a long, long time, and in fact, it's paved the way for a lot of different business models like Shopify and dropshipping. Now, if you're wondering, is affiliate marketing saturated? Is it too late to get started? According to Huffington Post, it's projected to grow by 6.8 billion by 2020. I'm willing to bet right now, even if you don't know it, you've been exposed to affiliate marketing in some form or fashion at some point. You know, if you've ever went to Google or YouTube and typed in something like product name review or product A versus product B, I guarantee you probably landed on somebody's YouTube video or their blog post that was an affiliate. And what happened was they ended up talking about the product, how good it is or how good it isn't, and then basically they referred you through their affiliate link to the product. Affiliate marketing is so big, sites like Amazon.com, Walmart.com, BestBuy.com, and even Credit Karma all have affiliate marketing platforms or programs in place. Now, personally, I got started in affiliate marketing years ago, and the reason I got started with affiliate marketing over some of the other business models is I just didn't feel comfortable doing a lot of the different business models like creating your own products, manufacturing things. I wanted something that was very easy to get started, and I wanted something that allowed me to master sales and marketing, because I understood that sales and marketing was the key to anything. If you want to be able to dominate online, if you want to be able to make a lot of money online, you want to learn sales and marketing. This is the very reason anytime a beginner comes to me and says, Zach, what's the best business to start? I always tell them affiliate marketing. You know, it's not about the actual business model you're starting so much, even though affiliate marketing has a massive potential. Like literally, I made over $1 million with affiliate marketing. So trust me, you can definitely make over $100 a day with affiliate marketing. However, the main reason I say affiliate marketing for beginners is because of the fact that the beginner does not know sales and marketing. They don't know how to sell things. They don't know how to position a product. They don't know how to actually build an audience. And these are things that are more important than the actual business model you're starting. And when you start with affiliate marketing, it allows you to focus on actually selling another proven product while you learn the real skill set that you should be learning, which is sales and marketing. Now, there's just 3 steps that you need to apply if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to break those down one by one. Step number 1 is to think of your interests and hobbies. So what you want to do is think of things you already love and you're passionate about that you would recommend to your friends for free, but if you could get paid for it, it's pretty darn cool. So what you would do is go to Google, and let's just use the example we're interested in weight loss or we're interested in photography. We could go to Google and type in weight loss affiliate program or photography affiliate program. Now, the easiest place to find products for any niche that you want to promote as an affiliate is Amazon Associates. So you can simply sign up for Amazon Associates by going to Google, typing in Amazon Associates affiliate program, and then once you actually sign up, you literally can promote anything on the site. Now, personally, I like private affiliate programs, and the reason being is because of the fact that the profit margins are much, much bigger. I also like focusing on digital products for the same reason, bigger ROI compared to physical products. The great thing about Amazon is you literally can find like almost any niche industry on there. I still use Amazon from time to time, but my suggestion is to start with Amazon to test out the niche you're interested in. Once you prove that niche is profitable, people are buying products, you start building an audience, I would start to go to Google just like I taught you, type in whatever the name of your niche is, affiliate program, and try to find some private affiliate programs that have digital products so that way you can 10x your revenue. All right, step number 2 is to create a blog or a free YouTube channel. Now, one of the best ways to make $100 a day online, in my opinion, is to use YouTube or a blog. Now, obviously, if you hate the idea of being on video, a blog is probably a better option you can write. Don't let anybody tell you that nobody's using Google and nobody's actually reading blogs anymore, because they do. You go to Google, you're going to see hundreds and hundreds of affiliate sites using just blogs with no video. However, personally, I think video is the best way. It's the way to get faster results, but understand that you can do either method, whichever one you like better. Now, it's only going to roughly cost you just under $100 to start a blog if you actually want to go with that blog option. Now, from there, the process is rather simple. You literally just create content around those products you picked. Now, there's two different options you can do here. Either one, you can select anything and everything you want to do. I usually generally suggest that you stick to one niche so you can write products that are relevant, because what'll happen is, as people land on your YouTube channel or they land on your blog, if you're writing content around a lot of products that are very similar, they're probably going to be interested in making multiple purchases. If you have, all different types of niches, people are probably not going to be interested in the same thing. So what I like to do personally is select 1 to 3 different products that I really love and believe in, and then I write content all around those products. So what I do is I go to Google and I start looking for topics that people are searching for that would be very relevant, that would actually want to purchase my product. Now, if I was selling a product on weight loss, what I would do is I would create content all around the product I'm selling. So let's just say it's a digital product to lose weight for women. All I would do is go find things women are typing in, like how to lose weight for women over 30, how to lose belly fat after you're pregnant, whatever the things that they're typing into Google and YouTube. I would create content closely related to those topics, and then all I would do is take that topic that I'm creating, I would write the content around it, and then I would wrap it around the product that I want to sell. Hopefully that makes sense, but all I would do is I would basically write content that's closely related to what they're searching for, help them understand why my product will help them solve that problem, and then link to the product. It's literally that simple. Now, I'm not going to go deep dive into this because I have actual more videos on this channel. At the end of this video, I'll actually link to a playlist that goes through those types of videos. Step number 3 is simple. You just link out. Basically, all you do is if you're creating that YouTube video, once you actually get done with the video, you link to your affiliate product in the description. If you actually did a blog post and you write the blog post around whatever the content piece is, then you're going to link to your affiliate product inside of the blog post. Getting to $100 a day online is rather simple. It just comes down to consistency. Literally scaling up to $1,000 a day is just doing more of what already works. So once you can figure out how to make $100 a day, you just keep doing more of that and you can scale it up very, very quickly. If you listened to me earlier when I talked about passive income, this is what I meant. I literally have blog posts from over a year ago that still pay me to this day. You do the work once and you keep getting paid. What is great about affiliate marketing is it's not one of the business models that require you to have like $5,000 in order to start. It doesn't matter if you're broke or you already have 6 figures in the bank and you want to get started and you want to scale up to a big, big business, you can start right where you're at. It doesn't require you to have money. Now, with that being said, obviously if you have money, it's going to be able to speed up the process, but if you don't have money, you can replace that with time and being willing to put in the work and do the things that other people just aren't willing to do. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorite business models for a few different reasons. Number one, every piece of content I create is out there working for me. It's like little Zach's working for me 24/7, 365, and it's one of my very few businesses that I have that is a real passive income stream. I create the work once and it keeps paying me. Now, the other great thing about affiliate marketing is if you want to scale this up to a very big business, you can actually create a content team. You can create a team to help you do all this and keep scaling it as big as you want to go. So that's a wrap. That's literally how easy it is to make $100 a day online. Now, obviously, it's not some push button method. It's something that requires, work up front. It requires patience and commitment. But it's one of those things that can be a real asset. You put in the work now and it can keep working for you for years to come. Now, if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate if you hit that like button. It helps me reach more people. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And finally, take care.